In the grand tapestry of human evolution, the story of our species is interwoven with that of other hominins who once roamed the earth. Among these, the Neanderthals hold a captivating place, not just as a subject of scientific curiosity, but as a mirror reflecting aspects of our own humanity. They are our closest extinct human relatives, a distinct species that once walked the earth alongside early Homo sapiens. Their existence challenges us to rethink what it means to be human. Their story is a fascinating blend of similarities and differences to our own, offering a unique window into our shared ancestry. Neanderthals had their own culture, their own way of life, and their own adaptations to the world around them. Neanderthals were not our ancestors, but rather a sister species that branched off from our common lineage hundreds of thousands of years ago. This divergence led to two distinct evolutionary paths, each with its own set of challenges and triumphs. Their story is one of remarkable adaptation, resilience, and ultimately extinction. They were skilled hunters, adept at surviving in harsh climates, and they developed tools and techniques that were sophisticated for their time. Yet their presence is still felt today, not just in the fossil record, but also within our very own DNA. Modern humans outside of Africa carry a small percentage of Neanderthal genes, a testament to the interbreeding that occurred between our species. The study of Neanderthals allows us to explore the paths not taken by our own lineage, revealing alternative evolutionary outcomes in response to the challenges of survival. Their ability to create fire, their social structures, and their burial practices all offer insights into their complex lives. It is a journey into a past world where these remarkable humans thrived in environments vastly different from our own. From the icy tundras to dense forests, Neanderthals adapted to a variety of habitats, showcasing their versatility and ingenuity. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of Neanderthals, exploring their lives, their time, and their lasting impact on our understanding of what it means to be human. Through their story, we gain a deeper appreciation of our own journey and the diverse tapestry of human evolution. The Neanderthals were not fleeting players on the stage of human evolution. They were a significant chapter in the story of humanity, leaving an indelible mark on our history. They were remarkably successful, inhabiting vast regions of Europe and Asia for a staggering span of time. Their ability to adapt to various environments, from the frigid northern plains to the more temperate southern regions, speaks volumes about their resilience and ingenuity. Their story begins roughly 400,000 years ago during the Middle Pleistocene epoch, a period marked by dramatic climatic fluctuations and glacial cycles. These environmental challenges shaped their evolution, pushing them to develop unique survival strategies. This era tested the limits of survival, yet Neanderthals not only endured, they flourished. They honed their skills in hunting, tool-making, and shelter building, creating a rich and complex culture that allowed them to thrive in harsh conditions. For over 300,000 years, Neanderthal populations thrived across a vast expanse, from the icy plains of northern Europe to the warmer climes of southern Asia. Their ability to adapt to such diverse environments is a testament to their versatility and resourcefulness. They witnessed and adapted to dramatic shifts in climate and environment, demonstrating remarkable resilience and adaptability. Their tools and technologies evolved over time, reflecting their deep understanding of the natural world and their ability to innovate. However, around 40,000 years ago, the Neanderthal presence in the fossil record begins to dwindle. This decline marks a significant turning point in their history, raising questions about the factors that led to their eventual disappearance. The last known traces of Neanderthals date back to approximately 40,000 years ago, marking the end of their long and successful reign. These final communities represent the last chapter in the Neanderthal saga, a poignant reminder of their once dominant presence. Their disappearance coincides with the arrival of Homo sapiens in Europe, adding another layer of intrigue to their story. The interactions between these two human species, whether through competition, interbreeding, or other factors, remain a subject of intense study and debate. The study of Neanderthal timelines allows us to appreciate the sheer scale of their existence. It highlights the longevity and complexity of their culture, offering valuable insights into the human journey. It reminds us that they were not a fleeting presence. but rather a dominant human species that shaped their world for far longer than our own species has existed. Their legacy continues to influence our understanding of what it means to be human, bridging the past and the present in a profound and enduring way. Neanderthals were powerfully built with robust skeletons and heavily muscled frames. Their physique was a testament to the harsh environments they inhabited, reflecting adaptations to the cold, unforgiving landscapes of Ice Age Europe. They were shorter and stockier than modern humans, with an average height of around 5 feet 4 inches for males and 5 feet for females. Their limbs were proportionally shorter than ours, particularly in the lower arms and legs, a characteristic often seen in animals adapted to colder climates, as it helps to conserve body heat. Their chests were barrel-shaped and their bones were thick and strong, indicating a life of strenuous activity and physical strength that surpassed even modern athletes. This robust build was essential for their survival in the challenging environments they called home. It allowed them to chase down large prey, withstand the rigors of their nomadic lifestyle, and endure the bitter cold of glacial periods. Section 4, a closer look inside the Neanderthal's skull. Neanderthal skulls provide fascinating insights into the minds of these remarkable humans. They possess distinctively shaped crania, characterized by a long, low brain case with a prominent brow ridge above the eyes. Their faces projected forward with a receding chin and a large, wide nose. Intriguingly, Neanderthals had larger brains than modern humans on average. However, the shape of their brains differed, suggesting potential variations in brain organization and cognitive abilities. Their brains had larger areas dedicated to vision and body control, which may have been adaptations to their hunting lifestyle and the demanding environments they inhabited. The study of Neanderthal skulls continues to reveal fascinating details about their sensory capabilities, cognitive abilities, and potential differences in brain function compared to our own species. Section 5, the Neanderthal Toolkit, Masters of Stone. Neanderthals were skilled toolmakers, crafting a variety of implements from stone, bone, and wood. They are most famous for their Mousterian tool industry, named after the Les Moustiers site in France, where these artifacts were first discovered. Mousterian tools were sophisticated for their time, demonstrating a high level of craftsmanship and an understanding of their materials. Their toolkit included hand axes, scrapers, points, and even specialized tools for woodworking. These tools were essential for a wide range of tasks, from processing animal hides and butchering meat to shaping wooden spears and crafting other essential items. The creation and use of these tools highlight the intelligence, adaptability, and problem-solving skills of Neanderthals. They were far from the brutish cavemen often depicted in popular culture. They were skilled artisans and innovators in their own right. Section 6, the hunt providers and survivors. Neanderthals were apex predators, relying heavily on hunting for their sustenance. They were not just hunters, they were strategists, understanding the behavior and patterns of their prey. This knowledge allowed them to track and ambush large animals effectively. They lived in a time when large mammals roamed the earth, and their diet consisted primarily of meat obtained through skillful hunting strategies. These large mammals, such as bison and mammoths, provided not only food but also materials for tools, clothing, and shelter. They were not passive scavengers, they were active hunters who brought down large game, including bison, deer, and even woolly mammoths. Their ability to hunt such formidable creatures speaks volumes about their strength, coordination, and tactical planning. Evidence from fossil sites suggests that Neanderthals engaged in close-quarters hunting, using spears and other weapons to bring down their prey. These tools were meticulously crafted, showcasing their ingenuity and understanding of materials. Their robust physique and muscular builds would have given them the strength and stamina needed for such demanding hunts. This physical prowess was essential for their survival, enabling them to endure the harsh conditions and physical challenges of their environment. The risks were high, as evidenced by healed fractures found on Neanderthal skeletons, but the rewards were great, providing the protein and nutrients essential for their survival. These injuries also indicate a level of medical knowledge and community care, as many individuals survived significant trauma. Their hunting prowess is a testament to their intelligence, courage, and ability to work cooperatively to overcome the challenges of their environment. Teamwork was crucial, as coordinated efforts increased their chances of a successful hunt. They were masters of their domain, skilled providers who secured the sustenance of their families and communities. The successful hunts not only fed their people, but also reinforced social bonds and ensured the survival of their culture and traditions. The knowledge and skills required for hunting were passed down through generations, with elders teaching the young. This transfer of knowledge was vital for the continuity of their way of life, ensuring that each new generation was equipped to face the challenges of their world. Beyond hunting, Neanderthals utilized every part of the animals they hunted. Hides were used for clothing and shelter, bones for tools and weapons, and sinews for binding. This resourcefulness highlights their deep connection to their environment and their ability to adapt and thrive.